हेलो गाइस, आई एम नितिन गुप्ता एंड वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। वेल गाइस, हम सब लोगों को पता है ड्यू टू कोरोना वायरस और कोविड-19 कितने सारे लोग हैं जिनकी जॉब्स जो है चली गई हैं एंड कितने सारे ऐसे बिजनेसेस हैं जो कि बहुत बुरी तरह से अफेक्ट हुए हैं। एंड गाइस, ओनली इन द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल इटसेल्फ, सिर्फ अप्रैल के ही महीने में 27 मिलियन पीपल, 2 करोड़ 70 लाख लोगों की जॉब्स जो है चली गई थी। एंड गाइस, दीज पीपल वर फॉलोइंग इन द एज कैटेगरी ऑफ 20 to 30 ईयर्स। एंड गाइस, एक तरफ जहाँ पे इतने सारे लोगों की जॉब्स जा रही हैं, इट इज़ प्रीटी ऑब्वियस कि अब जो आने वाली जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज होंगी दे विल बी लोअर एज कम्पेयर टू व्हाट इट यूज्ड टू बी अर्लियर। एंड अब और भी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हो रहता है टू बी बैंग ऑन विद वॉट एवर अपॉर्चुनिटी वी कम अक्रॉस। एंड गाइस, वी हैव टू क्रैक द इंटरव्यूज नो मैटर व्हाट टू इंश्योर आवर सर्वाइवल। बिफोर आई प्रोसीड फर्दर गाइस, अगर आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दो एंड हिट द बेल नोटिफिकेशन आइकन एज वेल। सो गाइस, इन दिस वीडियो मैं नहीं बल्कि एक कॉर्पोरेट एचआर whose name is Pritika Tandon and she is having an experience of 5 years and guys she has interviewed over 3000 candidates. Guys, इस वीडियो में प्रीतिका खुद बताएंगी what is expected out of a candidate in a job interview. She will be talking about the scope of job opportunities which are likely to come up. Then she will tell how to answer the question tell me something about yourself, जो कि एक इंटरव्यू में बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन होता है। Then हाउ टू आंसर वाई शुड वी हायर यू, ये भी एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है जो कि ऑलमोस्ट हर एक इंटरव्यू में आपको सुनने को मिलेगा। एंड गाइज, उसके बाद वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट हाउ टू ड्रेस फॉर एन इंटरव्यू, आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज एक्सेट्रा, एवरीथिंग विल बी कवर्ड। गाइज, अब जो आप आगे इस वीडियो में देखने वाले हो, इट इज अ स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ माई इंस्टाग्राम लाइव सेशन विद प्रीतिका, जहाँ पे उन्होंने ये सब चीज़ें बहुत ही डिटेल में डिस्कस करी थी एंड मैंने वहाँ से कुछ हाइलाइट्स पिक कर रहे हैं विच आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू गाइज। अगर आपको पूरी वीडियो देखनी है देन यू कैन चेक इट आउट ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम पेज। गाइज, माई हैंडल इज द क्लासिक अफेयर एंड आपको ये वीडियो मिल जाएगी इन दी IGTV सेक्शन। विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर ऑफ योर टाइम, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Almost 30% of the companies they have stopped their hiring. So taking this into consideration and the ongoing pandemic, बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनकी जॉब्स में चली गई हैं, बहुत सारे बिजनेसेस अफेक्ट हुए हैं। So if we take this whole picture into consideration, what do you think कि जो आगे आने वाली जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं उनका स्कोप जो है वो क्या रहेगा? कि कितनी जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज आपको राइज होती दिखेंगी?
See, indeed, it's a very scary situation, right? And if we talk about COVID, it's a new thing for us as well. So, and it is not subjective to only one industry. Now that we're talking about job opportunities and about organization standpoint, so we were also not prepared for this, right? It's a new thing for us. So we also do not have any stipulated time frame wherein we know like after 2 months COVID will be over. So, of course, it will be a slow process indeed, that goes without saying. And I tell you why. So, we as an organization will now intend more to, maximize their output with their existing employees, right? And everything has changed drastically, like over a night, if you say. So, we as an organization are already adapting the new normal now. If you see, everything has become digitalized, from hiring, onboarding, everything, right? And like I said, also this is happening for the first time. So I tell you what, a company's hiring free doesn't only put halt to company's hiring intention, right? It doesn't only mean that we don't have new business coming in or we don't have much in our kitty, but it's also, hampering recruiters' daily life responsibilities as well. Because I tell you why, as we recruiters are used to a fast working pace, right? In terms of dividing our work from hiring, onboarding, screening, could be anything, right? So it will be a difficult thing, but I'm sure we'll be able to cope up this really very soon. And I think we should all feel blessed if we have our jobs in place. If we are getting our salaries on time, we should feel blessed. And talking about, yeah, of course, that goes without saying, right? If you have job in place at this current scheme of things, it's a blessing.
प्रीतिका, रेज्यूमे एंड जो कवर लेटर या फिर जो कवर ईमेल होता है हमारा, whenever we are trying to connect with an organization, सबसे पहली चीज जो हमारे बारे में ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को बताती है वो है हमारा रेज्यूमे एंड हमारा कवर मेल या फिर कवर लेटर।
Correct.
So taking this into consideration, I would request you to kindly give a few tips regarding the resumes and the cover letters. मतलब इनकी इंपॉर्टेंस क्या है एंड कौन सी चीजें जो लोग जनरली अपने रेज्यूमे के अंदर गलत मेंशन करते हैं या फिर उनको कौन सी चीजें जिसका बहुत ज्यादा ध्यान रखना चाहिए।
Okay, so now that we're talking about resumes, CVs and everything, I really want our people there to understand that you need to be honest with your resume. It might find a little funny, but okay, so just to make your resume look glamorous or different, do not put any such information you're not even aware of, right? So I tell you why. For an example, if I am taking your interview, we both are strangers, I don't know you, right? So resume is not only a sheet of paper, it will reflect your personality, and it's obviously I'm going to ask questions from your resume, right? So you have to make sure that whatsoever there is in your resume, you're thoroughly know each and everything of it. So yeah, and obviously no one wants to feel astonished while giving an interview, right? So yeah, you have to just make sure of that. And yeah, secondly, I don't know why, but most of the candidates feel that if you have bunch of resume pages in your resume, it will be an add-on. So as a recruiter, guys, trust me, you have to make your resume short and crisp, right? And
Right.
I tell you why I'm saying all of this, because let's not deny this fact, because we recruiters have zillions of interviews to take in a day, right? And we'll not be able to spend hours on one candidature. So just make sure that you have all your basic KRA, especially for experienced candidates there, and that's it. Just to make your resume look fancy, just don't put anything that you're not even comfortable or you're not even aware of, right?
बहुत बार हम लोगों ने सुना है looks don't matter, but it's 2020, guys. Let's realize it and let's accept the fact that looks do matter. So how important is it for a candidate? एक कैंडिडेट के लिए कितना ज्यादा जरूरी है टू लुक गुड इन इंटरव्यू, कि वो इंटरव्यू के टाइम में प्रेजेंटेबल दिखे, अच्छा दिखे, कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है?
Of course, it matters, and it is not only restricted to while giving an interview, right? If I'm meeting you the first time, otherwise also, if you adapt in a normal life as well, it is very important, right? Now, again, obviously, I will not reject someone on their basis of attire, but obviously, you have to look classy, you have to give that poised image while giving an interview. Also, for we girls do have an add-on that we have lot more choices than men or boys. Let's accept that, right? But again, now that we have more choices, we have to be more careful. No flashy lip colors, no, you go extra mile just while you're giving an interview. And a pro tip for my all lovely ladies out there: always wear a pair of heels while giving an interview. Okay, I tell you why. It suits your personality and it also gives you self-confidence. And if you're confident, and then obviously you give your 100%. And if you're giving your 100%, then you're sorted, right? That's all matters in an interview. So yeah, and for boys, we have a fashion content creator with us. Yeah, you'll be the best person to answer that.
I'm really glad. Okay, so Pritika has already answered for the girls, so I guess we are pretty good with that. Talking about my dear boys, brothers, what we need to take care of is whenever you're going for an interview, wear a basic color shirt, one color shirt, single color shirt होनी चाहिए, no stripes, no checks, nothing. एक simple plain color की shirt पहनो, preferably blue or pink. मैं blue इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि blue is a color which makes us look trustworthy. So this is
wow, I didn't know that.
Blue is actually a color which is associated with trust. So whenever you're going out for an interview, you want the interview to trust you. So blue is a color which is associated with trust. So prefer करो you wear a blue shirt. Otherwise, you can wear a white, pink. So only formal colors and which are basic colors. Single color shirt पहनना. Do not forget to wear a tie. You should be having a tie around your neck. Tie is something which is very, very important. And if you want, you can put on a business suit. That is optional. Up to you. Whenever I go for an interview, I consider business for myself. So मैं तो business suit पहन के जाता हूँ तब भी मैं interview में गया हूँ. So a formal shirt is very important. Do not wear any denims down. Now bottom में denim नहीं पहनना.
Yeah.
Trouser. And you should be wearing formal shoes only. No casual.
And no fancy ornaments, girls and boys both.
Prefer wearing a watch whenever you're going for an interview. It
Yeah.
is a very big add-on to your personality. ये मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ. A watch is an essential which you must be having.
And personality and dressing sense is not only restricted to while you're giving an interview, right? It's like I said, if you're meeting for the first time, it should be a different thing altogether.
So this is a question जो कि हर एक इंटरव्यू में मैंने सुना है अभी तक जितने मैंने दिए हैं ना ऑफिस की हर एक इंटरव्यू में पूछा जाता है ये. Tell me something about yourself. How should the candidate be answering this question?
Okay, first of all, I would like to compliment the way you asked. Tell me something about yourself. Like, we recruiter also don't ask me that way, but I really appreciate that. And yeah, it's a very basic question, right? So, as a recruiter, we would like candidate to talk a bit more about their current job profile, the scope of their current job profile, and then you should talk more about your accomplishments, right? I'm not saying that you have to blabber about yourself, but obviously you have to tell. In short, you are selling, right? You have to tell me.
You have to sell.
Yeah. So, and this also gives the person intuiting and insight to the candidate, what candidate is all about, right? And guys, it's very important to tell them about the industry as well. Because as a recruiter, it helps to understand if the candidate is up to date or not, or informed about the latest trends or not. And it is very important to understand the industry that you work in. It's not like you're just flogging yourself or doing 8 to 9 hours of job and you're not even aware about what kind of job you are actually looking for or you are actually into it. So yeah, and then you have to talk about your strengths, about your weaknesses, and this is especially for freshers. So now if I'm talking about your strengths and weaknesses, you have to answer this bit maturely. Obviously you can't say, ma'am, chocolate is my weakness. That's a very lame answer, right? I've come across, it's not like I'm just making stories over here. So you have to.
My God, you got this answer. Chocolate is my weakness in an interview.
For freshers, obviously we can't expect freshers to answer the way an experienced guy will answer.
Guys,
Right?
please
They're
make
very
a note.
raw.
Please make a note. No
They're
more
very-
chocolates your weakness, please.
Yeah, so you have to talk more about you should be more inclined towards your personal growth or your professional skills. So chocolate, books are a no-go thing, especially for weakness and strength. Because obviously we have a lot more to, counter that question for an experienced guy as compared to freshers. So for freshers, they really need to answer this a bit maturely.
Body language is something which is very important for us all, right?
Correct.
So, how do you think body language plays a very important role in an interview? As in, is there anything in specific which you pick up? कुछ ऐसी क्या body actions हैं जो कि आप specifically pick करते हो in an interview from a candidate?
Okay. So there is no such specific signs, right? Obviously, if there will be a red flag, it will pop up in our head. But it is very important the way you present yourself, the way you speak. So in layman language, your body or your gesture should complement each other. It's not like you're saying something and your body is not responding to that, right? And you should often use your hands while speaking. I tell you why, because it gives that you're more confident. Again, if you're moving your hands, it should be in a proper fashion, right? That you're not playing with your hair, with a pen, or you're leaning on chair or making all that awful sound. That's a big no, obviously. And see, guys, for the first 5 minutes of your interview should be a bang on.
So, this is one such question which is generally asked in an interview. Interview में generally questions में arise होता है, which is, why should we hire you? So, how do you expect this, the candidate to answer this question? The candidate क्या बोले इसके?
So, okay, in this, as a recruiter, basically you need to sell yourself. You need to talk about your personal growth, the skills which makes you feel that you're apart from others. So you should talk about more about the project that you have managed, talk about your people handling skills. In short, you have to show them that how passionate you are about this particular job. And especially for freshers, no open-ended conversation, especially for freshers. You need to engage in the conversation. It should be like, again, you're only answering the other person only question. It should be a two-way thing. And you should always focus more about your personal growth and your professional skills. Are you ready to, grow as an individual or looking for a longer term with your association or not? So basic thing, it's not that there's a specific answer to why should we hire you, but obviously no open-ended question or answers. Like, I'm the best. I often hear the candidate, I'm the best. So let other people decide whether you're best or not. So just say in a proper fashion or more inclined towards your personal growth and professional skills.
Interviewer. So talking about this, has it ever happened with you wherein, the candidates was trying to be extra polite with you or was trying to flirt with you during an interview? So this is a very interesting one which came to my head.
Can we skip this question, please? I mean,
I
why?
think everybody would like to hear that. Guys, what do you think? You would like to hear or not?
Why? I mean, how can you expect me to answer this on an open forum, yeah? Okay, there's a background to it, I tell you what. They'll flirt because you're from the HR team, right? So they have this thing in their mind, "Arey yaar, ye to HR hai, inse to bana ke rakho." You'll get a good high. She'll be able to help you in any XYZ matter. So that is, like, what should I tell you? I mean, they flirt because, again, I'm saying, just because you're from the HR team and you think that you will be there to go to a person, so they'll flirt like anything.
So guys, these were the highlights of the complete live session and अगर आपको ये वीडियो यूजफुल लगी हो तो प्लीज इसको लाइक कर देना एंड मेरे को कमेंट करके बताओ कि कौन सी ऐसी टिप थी जो आपको सबसे ज्यादा यूजफुल लगी। इसके अलावा अगर आपकी कोई और क्वेरी है जिसके बारे में आप मुझसे बात करना चाहते हो तो यू कैन पर्सनली मैसेज मी ऑन Instagram. My handle is The Classic Affair. And guys, our next video will be based on health and wellness. So please subscribe to our channel and जो bell icon है उसको जरूर press कर देना so that you get the notification of all our videos. It was lovely seeing you all once again and I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, stay home, keep yourself positive and stay safe.